What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Triplezon. Today, we're talking about something simple but very important for personal grooming. If you are looking for the best nose hair trimmer that is safe, smooth, and easy to use, you're in the right place. Let me introduce you to a powerful and comfortable option that can upgrade your grooming routine. Let's get started. Today, we're checking out the Sarmacare Nose Hair Trimmer. This trimmer is designed to give you a clean and safe trimming experience without discomfort. From the first use, you can feel that it was made with care and attention to detail. The Sarmacare Nose Hair Trimmer uses a next-generation Yao silver blade. This blade is sharp enough to trim hair quickly, but gentle enough to protect the sensitive skin inside your nose, so you get a clean result without that painful pulling feeling. One of the best parts is the 360-degree rounded corner cutter head. This cutter head is specially shaped to fit naturally inside the nose. It follows the inner curve of your nasal area, which helps prevent cuts or irritation. You can trim with confidence because the design focuses on safety first. The cutter head is made from coated Jiao silver material and formed into a smooth arch shape. That smooth finish makes it perfect for delicate skin and helps the trimmer glide comfortably. Performance is also impressive. The Sarmacare nose hair trimmer runs at a powerful 8,000 RPM. That high speed allows it to cut through unwanted hair quickly and efficiently. It also uses a double-edged blade system. This means it trims from both sides at the same time, helping you clean up messy nose hair in just one pass. The motor runs on constant voltage, so the speed stays steady and strong during use. You do not get weak performance halfway through trimming. Another smart feature is the intelligent anti-pinching system. This is very important because nose hair trimming can sometimes cause pulling. With this system, the trimmer reduces the risk of pinching or tugging. The result is a smooth and pain-free experience. You can groom without worrying about sudden discomfort. The Sarmacare nose hair trimmer also includes a personalized transmission system. This helps maintain stable and strong power while trimming. It keeps the blades moving smoothly, which improves both safety and efficiency. In addition, the cutter head area has been optimized using a golden ratio design. This means the size and shape are carefully balanced to give you better precision and control during trimming. When it comes to design, the Sarmacare nose hair trimmer feels modern and well-built. Every detail, from the blade material to the cutter head shape, focuses on safety and comfort. It is made for reliable personal care and gives peace of mind every time you use it. Small tool, big difference. If you want a safer and more comfortable grooming experience, the Sarmacare nose hair trimmer is definitely worth checking out. Check the price link in the description and see if it's the right fit for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more helpful product videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.